Hey guys, today we are looking at a larger multiplication strategy called partial products. You may want to pause the video for a moment and write down this structure here. We're going to be using that to solve our problem 61 times 12. So let's go ahead and just get started. First thing we're going to do is going to write it in here. You might see it's divided up between the hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Make sure when you're writing these numbers in there you keep that same format. So 61, 6 in the tens place, 1 in the ones, 12, 1 and our 2. Basically what we are going to be doing is just splitting this up into a few different problems. That makes it a little bit easier to do. We just have to keep that same structure. So we are going to start right here. We're going to use this 1. Since this one is in the tens place, we know it's worth 10. So it's 10 times this 6. This 6 is in the tens place, so that's a 60. You can write it off to the side here if you want to. So 10 times 60. Using our extended multiplication facts, we know 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 zeros would be 600. So that should look like 600. Then we're going to stick with that 10, and we're going to take it times this 1. A 1 in the ones place is worth just 1. So we have 10 times 1. 10 times 1, we know it's 10. Make sure you keep everything in the right place value. And we're going to switch over to this 2. 2 times this 6. Again, the 6 is in the tens place, so it's worth 60. This 2 is in the ones place, so it's worth 2. So that's the same as 2 times 60. So we're going to use our extended multiplication facts again. 2 times 6 is 12. With 1 0 is 120. So we put it on there like this. And then our last problem, our 2 times our 1. 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is just 2. So now that we have all of those different parts, that's why this is called partial products. Remember, a product is an answer to a multiplication problem. Partial would mean parts of that answer. So here are all of our different parts. When we want to know our total answer, we put all of our parts together. So we add up our ones column, we get a 2. Add up our tens column, we get a 3. Add up our hundreds column, we get a 7. 732 as our answer. I'm going to erase my work right here and give you a new problem that I would like you to then fit into that structure, so you'll have to copy that down again. Let's go ahead and do this problem. Let's do 36 times 54. 36 times 54. So go ahead and pause and try to do that. All right, let's go ahead and solve this. So again, we're going to start right here at this 5. 5 in the tens place is worth 50 times a 3 in the tens place is worth 30. Extended multiplication facts tell us 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 zeros will be 1500. So you may have gone off your chart here, and that's okay. If you need to, you can always just add a thousands place there. Next, a 5 in the tens place is still worth 50, times a 6 in the ones place is just a 6. 5 times 6 is going to give you 30, plus a 0 would be 300. Moving over, 4 times a 3 in the tens place, so 4 times a 3 in the tens place is 30. 4 times 3 is 12, plus a 0 is 120. And our last one, 4 times 6, both in the ones place, and that'll give us 24. Going down the column, or ones column, we get a 4. Down the tens column, 2 plus 2 is also 4. Down the 100s column here, 5 and 3 and 1, that'd be 8, 9. And then we do have 1,000 sitting out here. We can put that here. 1,944. So just mark in your notes whether you're feeling beginning, developing, or secure. Feel free to also come up with some more problems. You can just make them up. Sometimes I like to take a dice and just roll it 2 times, get the first number, roll it 2 times, get the second number, and then practice, check with the calculator. So mark how you're feeling, and we'll take it from there.